Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. To get us started, we see some of these limited time deals here for some of these Pittsburgh socket sets down to 14 bucks, and right here even 10 bucks for some of these. Pretty good deals on those. Also some microfiber cleaning cloths. I do love these hex key sets. I have multiple and I keep them in different places. So it's great to go ahead and grab you an extra one if you need one. Also some Hardy gloves. I'll show you some of those a little bit later in the video as well. Then they had some of their heavy duty tarps. You can see the 12 mil here. 8 bucks on some of these. And I'll show you a few more here in just a second. But pretty good deals on some tarps, especially if you need the heavy duty ones. A little bit larger size right there as well for 40 bucks. So pretty good deals, again, depending on your size. We see the Maddox 40-piece mini fuel injection hose clamps. If you need any of those hose clamps, check some of these out. Again, another set right here of hose clamp assortments, 20-piece for storehouse. Also, Hercules cutoff wheel, 10 bucks for those. Then we have a couple of different other sets for the Pittsburgh ratchets. So again, need some of those. You can check some of those sockets out. We have a 10-foot drop cord here, 6 bucks. Solid deal for that one. Pro Speed compound, 28 bucks. And then also the extra foaming spray gun here, $15. Then we have the Merlin air hose, 23 bucks for that one. Ratcheting tie down straps. Always great to grab some of these. And then also the utility pump here as well. I do like this little Voyager tool tote here for 10 bucks. Solid deal for that one. And I have a similar brand and I carry it all the time. I do like this little Pittsburgh 6-in-1 tool. Always one of my favorite things to keep on hand and use often. And some of these deals I'm going to show you guys right here are some of the Inside Track Club members only right now. So you have to become an Inside Track Club member. You can do that online and save you a little bit of money right here. But you can see a lot of these deals, some other of the tools, and also some lights right here. 17 bucks for those. Some Quinn socket sets, 66-piece there, 45 bucks. Then Bauer has their belt sander down to $90. Also Doyle with the vise here. I'll show you a few more of these later in the video as well. Then we have another Predator engine here for $109. Good price for that one. And then we see drop down price to $159 here. The Viking jump starter with compressor. And again, solid price on that and something I recommend you checking out. See some earthquake clearance deals. Like I said, I'll go over some clearance deals, some of the instant savings deals, and then also some of the Inside Track Club deals as well. Have the Chief angle grinder, 50 bucks for that one. More Chief tools right here, 40 bucks for that one. And then a couple other clearance items. That one is actually gone, but you see the air ratchet right there. Another Chief die grinder, 27 bucks for that one. And then also another Chief die grinder here, 1/4 inch air angle die grinder. Then we see a few more tools. The Baxter belt sander, 80 bucks there for Inside Track Club members. And then also the random orbital sander here for 80 bucks as well. Then another one with a combo kit, Avanti airbrush compressor, 85 bucks it was, picked over at my store. Had a lot of items that were picked over. I'll show you kind of more of those as we see those. And then again, the Merlin hose right here for 30 bucks. And then we did see this other one here for $23. We saw this on the instant savings deal. Then we see the Central Machinery ventilator. If you need one of those for the workplace, 75 bucks. Also have the fan. Always need one of those, 120. Great thing to check out and grab. And then also here, the high velocity shop fan for another 120. Then we see the winch here for 150. So if you need just solid winch there, good deal with that one. The RoadShock Edge lights $135. And then another set for these right here. We see another option for $17. We have the ratcheting pipe threader set with central machinery, down to $70 for that one there. Bauer has their plugged in blower, so the electric handheld blower. If you need one of those, solid deal. So that $55. Then we have another deal, $44 right here. And this one is actually for the Bauer cordless string trimmer. So not this little Atlas thing that's showing up right there, but actually this cordless string trimmer. Atlas does have a deal. See this one right there on the power inverter. $70 for that one right there. You get save $10 off. Not too bad for that one. Then we see the electric chainsaw sharpener, $25. Probably a solid deal with that one. We go through blades a lot. Some plastic sheeting, $9 right there. Solid deal for that one. Then also the canvas drop cloth, $25. Gonna do some painting. Then we have some painter's tape, $5 right there. Again, solid deal. Could save a few bucks on that. So if you're going to be putting off a lot of tape, go ahead and grab you some. Diesel transfer pump, $99 for Pittsburgh. 4-ton hydraulic repair kit, $110. Great deal for that one. Then also another set here for Pittsburgh, the hydraulic body repair kit, 10-ton option for that one. Another deal right here, $28 for garden hose, if you need one of those. Then next we see some pressure washer surface cleaner options right here for $40 if you need some of these. And then also the foam cannon here for $25. A little bit different option than the one we saw a little bit earlier. Then $4 here if you need to grab some of these spray bottles, different things. You can fit all kind of different stuff in there and do all kind of different things with that. $200 multi-purpose scaffolding. $30 off of this. So if you need some scaffolding, going to do some painting or construction, definitely a great option right there. Then we have the Bauer grease gun for right under $100. Then we also have the Pittsburgh radiator pressure test kit, $63. Then the metal detector for $53. Again, another fun little tool. Might be something great if you're going to be going to the lake or anything like that. Bauer bench grinder with sander there, $150. We have the Atlas clearance tool. So if you need a little weed eater here, $60 with Atlas and a few other clearance items. See some of these here. Have some speed bit options, sleeve lock, door lock system, also central machinery, impact wrench, ring roller here, $40 with that one. We got some filler primer, so a couple different options with those. Carpet stretcher, might need to grab one of those for my house. Got some rope, also have some Bauer impact wrenches, so different ones on those. Digital scale here, $15. Oh, I like this little saw right here. Also the Drill Master tile saw, benchtop band saw. A couple different options with that one, $85. Saw a Porter cable option for that at Lowe's a few months ago. But you can check those out. A couple different ones right there. A couple different saws. Drain cleaner, 50-foot option right there for $140. Couple more savings. We saw some of the other ones, but here's some more Pittsburgh options here. So we got some of the different sockets for these. Also see some ratchet straps. See the propane torch, little small torch here, $17. We've seen this deal going on for a while, but I still think it's a great one for Bauer. 6 tools, 2 batteries, and a charger, $200. So again, if you're looking to get started in some type of system, I think Bauer's definitely one you can check out. Great DIY brand for that one. Saw some Icon deals for 100 bucks. Saw some of those up front. U.S. General socket holder, 15 bucks for those. Solid deal for that one. $3.50 here for some of these U.S. General tool chests. You get to save 100 bucks off of those. So again, here's another one. $3.50, get to save 50 bucks off of this one. So again, just really depends on which one you are interested in and which one you need. But pretty good deals on these. Colors look nice. You get to choose different colors and a couple different sizes for these. So depending on what you might need, definitely a great option to check out. Get to save you a little bit of money. We have the respirator here, 25 bucks. A couple different uses for that one. Then we have some routers, Drill Master base router, 45 bucks for that one. And again, I've never used Drill Master, but pretty affordable brand and option there. Hercules, this is definitely going to be a nicer option for you, a little bit more expensive, but it's going to last you and do a little bit better for you there. Chicago Electric, the heavy duty planer here, 35 bucks for that one. $2.70 for the bitch top joiner. Again, solid deal for that one. Bauer, good brand. Definitely going to do a good job for you on that one. Then another Inside Track Club deal, $5.29 here for this variable speed wood lathe. So if you need one of these, and then we have just the universal lathe stand for 90 bucks. Get saved 10 bucks on that one. So if you're going to buy one anyway, definitely save you a little bit of money. The universal lathe stand, again, better view of it right there. We have the belt sander. We saw this one earlier, but again, just another shot of that one for Bauer, 70 bucks on that. Then we have the canister style dust collector. We had a bunch of these kind of up here for $4.30. And then also the dust separator attachment. I'll show you what all of these look like here in just a second. You see these. Great little option here for your shop if you have a lot of dust. We see some of these vices. We saw one of them up front, a little bit smaller one. We see the 6-inch, 4.5-inch. Pretty good sizes and prices. Another cross slide vise here for Central Machinery. And then another low profile vise as well. And some more Bauer tools. We got the angle grinder, 70 bucks for that one. We have also another angle grinder here, 25 bucks. And then the Hercules circular saw, solid option for that one right there. Bauer spade handle drill. And then also another Bauer speed drill here, 1/2-inch. And 30 bucks for that one. Hercules cutoff saw, $150. And then right next to that one, we also have the Bauer cutoff saw for $99. So again, depending on which one you might need, Hercules is a little bit more heavy duty, but Bauer is more affordable. Another Bauer impact wrench. We saw one of these just a second ago, but 45 bucks. Great thing to pick up, especially if you're in the Bauer brand. And then these are some that I wanted to show you guys just kind of up front. They have the aluminum truck rack, down a little bit, aluminum wheelchair and scooter carrier, a trailer cart, and then also the universal roof crossbar. So I had a bunch of those available and on sale. I had the folding miter stand from Bauer, 100 bucks right there. Save you some money on that one. And then also the concrete saw, $240. Solid deal. Going to save you some money and get you some good deals. Then also the Bauer rotary hammer, $120. Pretty good option for that one. So again, if you need any of those Bauer tools, they're definitely going to do a good job for you right there.
But overall, I think there's some pretty good deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight. You can check out some of the items I have listed down below. Also, if you're interested, I have a weekly newsletter that I'll tell you all the deals going on so that you never miss another deal. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.